One of the easiest ways to update or glam up your space is to change your doorknobs. These are my closet doorknobs. I'm gonna swap them out. I'm gonna put these here. It's just so simple to do. You just take a screwdriver and unscrew the back, remove these, put these in, and then screw it back in with a Phillips. Yeah, you literally use this or whatever kind of screw that your knobs come with, and then you just remove them, swap them out, put it back in, and screw it, and that's it. If you guys have doors like mine, the easiest way to do this is just to pop this open, and then the door swings right open. Yeah, like you just like bring this down, and then the door swings open, see? And then when you're ready, you just push it back down, put it in there, let go, and then the door swings closed. I decided to go with these knobs here from Amazon. These are 10 for $18, so $18 for 10. Beautiful. If the screw that your door comes with is too long, like mine is, use these here to shorten it, and then it'll fit perfectly. Because I struggled with that part, because it wouldn't fit the doorknob. And then I'll show you the finished product. Ta-da! It is gorge. Look at the before and the after. No comparison. Whoa. Off to do the rest. There it is, all done. Beautiful.